How to change your iCloud email address. Change iCloud email address. If you would like to change your iCloud email address, now currently you can open up your settings app, tap your Apple ID profile from the very top and go to sign in and security. Now from sign in and security, there you can see this is currently my iCloud email address. So if I want to change that, I can delete this one and add another email address. So I can tap on add email option right there. Once I've done that, I can choose a new iCloud email address option. I can create a new email address to use for this Apple ID and tap the continue button. Once I've done that, I can make that my primary email. And as for the current one, I can tap on it, then I can tap on remove from account. So I can also turn off primary email option and it will ask me to add a new primary. So once I've done that, I'll be able to go ahead and then basically add it. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can change your iCloud email address. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.